Hi, in this video we will be talking about the secret to a happy relationship. Watch this video to the end to learn. This story unfolds the journey of two souls bound by the ties of love and tested by the trials of life, discovering the profound secret to a happy relationship through the transformative power of forgiveness. Welcome back to Relationship Facts. In the intricate tapestry of human relationships, love and forgiveness weave the most beautiful threads. This story unfolds the journey of two souls bound by the ties of love and tested by the trials of life, discovering the profound secret to a happy relationship through the transformative power of forgiveness. A meeting of souls. In the bustling streets of a quaint town, Sarah and John's paths crossed one fateful afternoon. Sarah, a vibrant artist with a heart as expansive as the sky, collided with John, a reserved architect whose eyes held stories untold. From their first encounter, a spark ignited, setting ablaze a love story destined to be etched in eternity. Their love blossomed like the petals of a flower under the warm embrace of the sun. Together, they ventured into the depths of laughter and shared dreams, crafting memories that painted the canvas of their lives in vibrant hues. Their relationship seemed impervious to the storms that threatened to tear them apart, for love fortified their hearts against any adversity. The trials of life. However, life is not a smooth sailing voyage. It is a tumultuous sea that tosses even the strongest ships. Sarah and John encountered their fair share of challenges, testing the foundation of their love. Miscommunication, misunderstandings, and external pressures threatened to erode the bond they had painstakingly built. In the face of adversity, Sarah and John found themselves drifting apart, their hearts burdened by unresolved conflicts and unspoken grievances. The once radiant love that illuminated their lives now flickered like a dying flame, overshadowed by the darkness of resentment and bitterness. The breaking point. As their relationship reached its breaking point, Sarah and John stood at a crossroads, their hearts heavy with sorrow and regret. The pain of their shattered dreams weighed heavily upon them, threatening to engulf them in a sea of despair. It was in their darkest hour that they realized the pivotal role forgiveness played in the restoration of their love. Chapter 4: The Power of Forgiveness. Forgiveness is not merely an act of pardoning. It is a profound journey of healing and redemption. Sarah and John embarked on this journey, confronting their demons and embracing the liberating power of forgiveness. They learned to release the shackles of resentment that bound their hearts, allowing love to flow freely once more. Forgiveness did not erase the scars of the past. Instead, it transformed them into badges of courage and resilience. Sarah and John discovered that forgiveness was not a sign of weakness but rather a testament to the strength of their love. It paved the way for a renewed sense of intimacy and connection, revitalizing their relationship like a phoenix rising from the ashes. The renewal of love. As Sarah and John embraced forgiveness, they embarked on a journey of renewal and rebirth. Their love, once fractured and fragile, now stood steadfast and unwavering, fortified by the trials they had overcome together. They discovered that true happiness in a relationship lies not in the absence of conflict but in the ability to navigate through it with grace and compassion. With each passing day, Sarah and John grew closer, their bond deepening like the roots of an ancient tree. They cherished every moment they shared, knowing that their love had weathered the storms of life and emerged stronger than ever before. Together, they danced through life's joys and sorrows, guided by the enduring light of love and forgiveness. Epilogue: A testament to love. Sarah and John's story is a testament to the transformative power of love and forgiveness. Through the highs and lows of their journey, they discovered that true happiness in a relationship is not elusive but attainable, found in the willingness to forgive and the courage to love unconditionally. Their story serves as a beacon of hope for all those who have ever doubted the resilience of the human heart. For in the end, it is love that conquers all, bridging the chasms of pain and healing the wounds of the past. And in the embrace of forgiveness, we find the key to unlocking the secret to a happy and fulfilling relationship. Navigating life's challenges. As Sarah and John continued their journey, they encountered new challenges that tested their resolve and commitment to each other. Life's unpredictable twists and turns often threw them off course, but they remained anchored in the unwavering love and forgiveness they had cultivated. One such challenge arose when Sarah's career as an artist faced a sudden downturn. Struggling to make ends meet, she grappled with feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. John, ever the supportive partner, stood by her side, offering words of encouragement and a shoulder to lean on. In the face of adversity, Sarah and John learned to lean on each other, drawing strength from their shared experiences and unwavering bond. They realized that true partnership meant weathering life's storms together, hand in hand, with love and forgiveness lighting the way. Embracing growth and change. As time passed, Sarah and John underwent personal growth and transformation, both as individuals and as a couple. They learned to embrace change as a natural part of life's journey, welcoming new opportunities for self-discovery and exploration. Sarah, once hesitant to step outside her comfort zone, found the courage to pursue her passion for travel and exploration. John, too, embraced change, taking on new challenges in his career and expanding his horizons beyond the confines of his comfort zone. Their relationship evolved alongside their individual growth, adapting to the changing landscape of their lives with grace and resilience. They discovered that love is not static but dynamic, capable of transcending barriers and flourishing in the face of change. Cultivating communication and understanding. Central to Sarah and John's journey was the importance of communication and understanding in fostering a healthy and fulfilling relationship. They learned to communicate openly and honestly with each other, expressing their thoughts and feelings with vulnerability and authenticity. Through active listening and empathetic understanding, Sarah and John deepened their connection, forging a bond built on mutual respect and appreciation. They recognized that true intimacy is born out of the willingness to truly see and understand each other, flaws and all. Nurturing self-compassion and empathy. In their quest for happiness and fulfillment, Sarah and John also learned the importance of self-compassion and empathy. They realized that loving oneself is a prerequisite for loving others fully and unconditionally. Sarah, who had always been her own harshest critic, learned to extend herself the same compassion and kindness she so freely gave to others. John, too, embraced self-compassion, recognizing that his worth was not defined by external achievements or accolades. As they nurtured self-compassion within themselves, Sarah and John became more empathetic and compassionate partners, capable of offering support and understanding without judgment or criticism. They found that by cultivating compassion for themselves, they were better equipped to extend that same compassion to each other, fostering a deeper sense of intimacy and connection. Sustaining love through adversity. As Sarah and John's relationship deepened, they faced new challenges that tested the strength of their bond. They encountered loss and grief, illness and hardship, yet through it all, their love remained steadfast and unwavering. They learned that love is not defined by grand gestures or fleeting moments of passion but by the quiet, everyday acts of kindness and compassion that sustain a relationship through life's darkest moments. They found solace in each other's arms, drawing strength from their shared love and the knowledge that they were never alone in their struggles. The legacy of love and forgiveness. As Sarah and John reflect on their journey together, they are filled with gratitude for the love and forgiveness that have sustained them through life's trials and tribulations. They recognize that their relationship is not perfect, nor is it immune to future challenges, but it is rooted in a foundation of love and forgiveness that is stronger than any storm. Their story serves as a testament to the transformative power of love and forgiveness, inspiring others to cultivate these virtues in their own lives and relationships. For Sarah and John, the secret to a happy relationship lies not in grand gestures or extravagant displays of affection but in the simple yet profound act of loving and forgiving each other, every day, for eternity. As Sarah and John walk hand in hand into the sunset, their hearts are filled with gratitude for the love and forgiveness that have guided them on their journey. They know that their love is not perfect, nor is it immune to life's challenges, but it is enduring and resilient, capable of weathering any storm. As they face the unknown future together, Sarah and John take solace in the knowledge that their love will sustain them through whatever trials and tribulations may come their way. For in the end, it is love that conquers all, binding their souls together in a bond that transcends time and space. And so, their story continues, a testament to the enduring power of love and forgiveness in a world filled with uncertainty and strife. For Sarah and John, the secret to a happy relationship is simple yet profound. Love deeply, forgive freely, and cherish every moment together as if it were their last. As Sarah and John journeyed through life, they felt compelled to share the lessons they had learned along the way with others. They recognized that their experiences, though deeply personal, held universal truths that could inspire and uplift those navigating their own paths. Through workshops, seminars, and writing, Sarah and John shared their insights on love, forgiveness, and the keys to a happy relationship. They witnessed firsthand the transformative power of their message, as couples from all walks of life found solace and inspiration in their words. They emphasized the importance of open communication, mutual respect, and unconditional love as the cornerstones of a healthy and fulfilling relationship. They encouraged couples to embrace vulnerability and authenticity, recognizing that true intimacy is born out of the willingness to be seen and accepted for who we truly are. Building community and support. Sarah and John believed in the power of community and support in sustaining healthy relationships. They fostered a network of like-minded individuals who shared their values and beliefs, creating a safe space for couples to connect, share, and grow together. Through group gatherings, retreats, and online forums, Sarah and John facilitated meaningful connections among couples seeking to strengthen their relationships. They provided guidance, encouragement, and a listening ear to those facing challenges or seeking advice. In cultivating a supportive community, Sarah and John witnessed the transformative impact of shared experiences and collective wisdom. They realized that no relationship exists in isolation. We are all interconnected, bound together by the common thread of love and humanity. Embracing imperfection and growth. As Sarah and John continued to navigate the ups and downs of life, they embraced the inherent imperfections of their relationship with grace and humility. They recognized that no relationship is without its flaws, and that growth often arises from the challenges we face together. They learned to laugh at their mistakes, forgive each other's shortcomings, and celebrate their shared victories, however small. They understood that love is not about finding perfection in each other but about embracing the beautiful messiness of life with open hearts and open minds. Chapter 15. Leaving a Legacy of Love. As Sarah and John reflect on their journey together, they are filled with a profound sense of gratitude for the love and forgiveness that have sustained them through life's trials and tribulations. They realize that their legacy is not measured in material wealth or worldly success but in the lives they have touched and the hearts they have uplifted along the way. Their story serves as a beacon of hope for all those who have ever doubted the resilience of the human heart. It is a testament to the transformative power of love and forgiveness, inspiring others to cultivate these virtues in their own lives and relationships. As they gaze into each other's eyes, Sarah and John know that their love will endure for eternity, a timeless reminder of the profound beauty and infinite possibility that exists within the human spirit. And so, their journey continues, a never-ending dance of love and forgiveness, lighting the way for generations to come. The eternal quest for love and forgiveness. In the grand tapestry of human relationships, love and forgiveness stand as the eternal pillars upon which our lives are built. They are the guiding forces that illuminate our path, the compass that points us towards greater understanding and compassion. Through the story of Sarah and John, we are reminded of the transformative power of love and forgiveness in overcoming life's greatest challenges. Their journey serves as a testament to the enduring strength of the human heart and the infinite capacity for growth and healing that resides within each of us. As we navigate the complexities of our own relationships, may we remember the lessons of love and forgiveness imparted by Sarah and John. May we strive to cultivate deeper connections, foster greater understanding, and embrace the imperfections that make us uniquely human. And may we never forget that the secret to a happy relationship lies not in grand gestures or extravagant displays of affection but in the simple yet profound act of loving and forgiving each other, every day, for eternity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on relationship facts. See you next time.